Hello. The procedure which you are seeing is called GFC, growth factor concentrate therapy. It is basically advanced PRP, platelet rich plasma therapy. So what happens, we take your blood, we'll centrifuge it in a machine and separate the growth factor and platelet concentrate, and that concentrate is injected. In GFC, instead of doing a simple procedure like PRP where we take the growth factor concentrate, we also add additional growth factor from outside. Also, these tubes are specialized in the form that they lyse the cell walls of the blood cells. So what happens, the growth factor is now in a form of liquid serum, so which is easily injectable. More growth factors are available for the patient to use in the procedure, and that's why the results are better than PRP. That's why the results are better than PRP comparatively.